Welcome to this sample course from Action Training Systems. All of the training objectives included in the full course are listed on screen. You will be shown a sample of these sections in this demo. A complete listing of our course content is available on our website.
The type of fire stream that should be used depends on operating procedures and the type of extinguishment and protection needed at each fire. All fire streams have 4 elements: a pump or other device that provides pressure to the extinguishing agent,
Ready for water!
fixed piping or fire hose, a nozzle to shape and control the water or agent discharged in fire attack, and the extinguishing agent, usually water or foam. Fog nozzles permit you to adjust the tip to produce different stream patterns such as wide-angle fog or narrow-angle fog. When fully adjusted, the fog nozzle will produce a hollow, straight pattern known as the straight stream. A straight stream is hollow because of the construction of the stem of the fog nozzle, making it different than the solid stream produced by a smooth-bore nozzle. Whatever the type of stream, keep in mind that water adds weight when you apply streams to structures. Each gallon of water weighs about 8 pounds. Each liter of water weighs about 1 kilogram.
For more information about the full line of over 200 course offerings available from Action Training Systems, visit our website at www.action-training.com or contact us at 1-800-755-1440, extension 3.